everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different in react.js. Okay, yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn something new, something different in react.js. And guys, today in this video we are going to learn what is UseEffect hook and how to use UseEffect hook in our React app, in our React application, and how to use UseEffect hook to fetch the third-party API data in our React app, in our React application, and how to show them on the browser as well. Okay, yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this session, we are completely going to learn what is UseEffect hook and how to use UseEffect hook to fetch the third-party API data in our React app, in our React application, and how to show them on the browser to our user. Okay, so guys, we all know that UseEffect hook is used to fetch the third-party API data in our React app, in our React application. Okay, and guys, along with UseEffect hook also, we are going to know, we are going to learn, we are going to use Axios to fetch the third-party API data along with UseEffect hook in our React app in today's video. Okay, so guys, today what we are going to learn, that what is UseEffect hook and how to use UseEffect hook in our React app, in our React application, and how to use UseEffect hook to fetch the third-party API data and to show them on the browser to our user along with Axios. Okay, so guys, here today in this video we are going to know, we are going to learn what is UseEffect hook, how to use UseEffect hook, and how to use UseEffect hook to fetch the third-party API data and to show them on the browser along with Axios as well. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the feature, all the functionalities of the example as well, so that we will get to know that today what we are going to learn and today what we are going to create in this video, in this session. Okay, so let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have built using purely react.js. Okay, and guys, below we can see here the heading also, fetch and show users data using UseEffect plus Axios in React and Pagination. Okay, yes guys, you read that right. Today we are going to know what is Axios and how to use it along with UseEffect hook, and how to fetch the data using Axios and UseEffect hook, and how to create the pagination as well. Okay, yes guys, you heard that right. Today I'll explain you each and everything in depth, in details in this video, in this session. Okay, and guys, this is the application we are going to build, we are going to create in this video, in this session, using UseEffect hook along with Axios and pagination as well. Okay, and guys, here we can see the button also, apply dark mode. Okay, yes guys, I'll also explain you, I will also teach you that how to apply dark mode or the light mode, and how to create the like this kind of application where we can apply the dark mode as well as the light mode also using the React itself. Okay, so guys, here we can apply the dark mode to our application as well from this button, apply dark mode. So hit it now to apply the dark mode. See, boom guys, now we can see here the dark mode is now applied. Okay, and guys, here this is the user profile. Okay, so guys, this is the user profile cards. Okay, I have shown here 4 cards. Okay, on a single page. Okay, on a single page I have shown here 4 user cards. Okay guys, it is completely on us. Okay, it is completely on you only how many user cards you want to show on a single page. Okay, so I have shown here 4 you can show 5, 6, 7, 8. Guys, you can show user profile card, okay, like 4, 5, 6. Okay, okay, it's up to you only. Like there is no any like limitations, there is no any restrictions that we can only show 3 user profile card, we can only show 4 user profile card, we can only show 5 user profile cards. No, guys, we can show up to like desired number of user profile cards what we want to show on a single user, on a single page. Okay, this is it. Okay, so I have shown here the username, user email address, phone number, city, company, and website also on each and every user profile card. Okay, and guys, below we can see here 2 buttons also. The first button is called contact user and the second button is called see details. Okay, so guys, whenever you will hover over the first button contact user, you are going to see the user email address in a nice and dynamic tooltip. Okay, so let me just hover over the first button called contact user to see the user email address in the nice and dynamic tooltip. See, boom guys, we can see here I have shown here the user email address in a tooltip. Okay, so we can just toggle the theme also from this button itself only. You can see here now apply the dark mode. Okay, so now we can see guys, the button text also changes to apply dark mode, to apply the dark mode, apply light mode, to apply the light mode. Okay, so we can just toggle the theme between apply between light mode and dark mode. Okay, from this button. Okay, so apply light mode now. See, boom guys, we can see here we can toggle the themes between dark mode and the light mode from this button itself. Okay, so guys, now we can see here the another button as well called see details. So guys, whenever you will click this button see details, you are going to see the all the user details of a particular user on which you will click all the details in a nice and dynamic modal itself. Okay, so just hit the button see details, so hit it now. See, boom guys, you can see here guys, the dark mode is also applied to the modal as well. Guys, you can see here the dark mode is also applied to the modal as well. Okay, and we can dismiss this modal by clicking anywhere on this gray area, by clicking this cross icon, and by clicking these 2 buttons cancel and OK. So I have shown here the username, user email address, phone number, city, company, and website also in the modal. Okay, and you can see here the dark mode is also applied to the modal as well. Okay, so close this from this icon. So I want to see the details of this user, this second user, see details. See, click OK. I want to see the user details of this third user profile card, see details. Just click anywhere on the gray area to close this modal. I want to see the user profile like all the details of this fourth user profile card, see details. Click cancel, and guys, here we can see here the pagination button as well. Guys, this is known as the pagination button. Okay, and I have shown here the page number also in the nice tooltip as well. Okay, so this is the first page, this is the second page, and this is the third page. Okay, so guys, we can have number of pages. Okay, based on the like how many details or how many user profile card you have shown on a single page. Okay, so guys, if we will show here 3 user profile card on a single page, then we will have a we might have 4 pagination button, we might have 5 pagination button, we might have 6 pagination button, and we might, guys, we can have number of pagination button based on the details you have shown on a single page. Okay, so guys, now let me go to the second page. So in order to go to the second page, we have to click this button second page. So click it now. See, boom guys, we can see here all the details now changed, all the user profile card now changed. Okay, and guys, you can see here the dark mode also persists on this second page as well. Guys, you can see here the dark mode also persists on this second page as well. Okay, so guys, this is the beauty of this is the feature of this React app. Okay, you can see here we can see the details also. first user profile card, see details, close this. Second user profile card, see details, close this. Third user profile card, see details, okay. Fourth user profile card, see details, okay. And we can see here the email address also on this contact button, okay. So we can see here the email address of the user whenever you are going to hover over this contact user button, okay. So go to the third page. See, boom guys, now you can see here guys, dark mode is also processed on the third page as well. How? We are going to know in this video, in this session, along with me, ER Prabhat Pandit, okay. So this is the ninth user profile card, and this is the 10th user profile card, okay. Because guys, we are getting here only 10 user details, okay, from the API data, from the API URL. So we will have only here 3 pagination button. If we can show here 3 user profile card on a single page, we might have 4, 6, 7, 5, okay, number of pagination buttons, okay. So guys, let me just see the user details of this user profile card. See details, okay. See details, okay. So we can just toggle the themes, okay. You can see here we can toggle the themes also, and we can see here now the dark mode is also removed from the modal as well, okay. So close this. See details of this user, last user, see details, see, cancel. Go to the second page. You can see the dark mode is now removed from this second page as well. See details, okay. See details, okay. See details, okay. See details, okay. And we can see the email address also in the nice tooltip whenever you are going to hover over this contact user button on any user profile card. Go to this first page. See, user email address in the nice tooltip. We can see the details also of a particular user in the nice and dynamic modal as well. And I explained you that we can dismiss this pop-up. We can close this modal in 3 ways, okay. By clicking anywhere on this gray area, by clicking this cross icon, and by clicking these 2 buttons, cancel or okay. So see details, okay. So guys, we can toggle the themes also. I explained you, and we can see here the dark mode in the modal as well, okay. So dark mode is also applied everywhere in the modal as well, okay. So just close this, okay. So guys, this is the feature, this is the functionality we are going to build, okay, in this video, in this session, using UseEffect plus Axios and the pagination as well, okay. So guys, we are going to learn that what is pagination and how to create pagination in React, okay, in today's video, along with me, ER Prabhat Pandit, okay. So guys, I hope guys now you are excited, you are thrilled, okay, to learn and to create, okay, this kind of dynamic and robust application in React, okay, using UseEffect, hook and Axios to fetch the third-party API data and to create the pagination as well, okay. So guys, here everything is dynamic, okay. We are getting the guys data from the external API server, okay. We are getting the data from the external API server, so everything is dynamic, nothing is static guys, nothing is hard-coded, nothing is static, okay. Everything is dynamic, everything, okay. So guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's know how to create this video, or how to create, okay, this app using the UseEffect hook and Axios along with pagination also, okay. So guys, now let's get started and let's learn, okay. But guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you, please guys, subscribe to now my channel Code with ER. Please guys, please subscribe now my channel Code with ER, and please like this video also, please guys, please, okay. You can consider me as a friend, you can consider me as a brother, and guys, I need your help, I need your support, and the only way you can help me and the only way you can support me is by subscribing to my channel Code with ER. Please guys, please support me and please promote me, okay. And please guys, okay, do like this video as well, so that it is going to give me the confidence, it is going to give me the motivation to create awesome videos, okay, like this for you on each and every topic of web development, full stack development, and on service now as well. Okay, please guys, please subscribe now, and please press the bell icon also, so that you're going to notified that I have uploaded a new video in the playlist, and you can watch them instantly. And definitely guys, you're going to grow in your IT professional career as well, okay, after watching my video, after watching my session. Okay, so I hope guys you will subscribe now, and you will like this video as well. Okay, and guys, do comment, okay, what you have learned, what you have gained, okay, from this video, from this session, okay, in React. Okay, so guys, this is it. I hope you are now excited, you are now thrilled to learn and to create this application. Okay, so please guys, okay, be calm, be relaxed, and sit back and try to watch the entire video very carefully and very patiently. Don't try to skip the video, don't try to fast forward the video. If you will miss something, you will miss each and everything, and at the end you're going to scratch your head that I didn't get anything from this video, from this session, and I wasted my entire time watching the video. Okay, and you are going to regret later on. Okay, so please guys, don't do that, don't skip the video, and don't fast forward the video as well. Okay, watch the entire video guys, okay, till last. I'm sure guys, I promise you, I give you my words also, that guys, you are not going to regret. You are not going to regret after watching this video, after watching this session. You will learn a lot of things, a lot of new things, a lot of new stuff in React from this video, from this session. Okay, so guys, this video is very beginner friendly. And guys, if you are new to react.js and you are learning react.js in 2025, then guys, this video is definitely for you. You should definitely watch the entire video very carefully and very patiently. Being a new learner, being a beginners in React, you must watch this video till last. Okay, I explained you, we will learn guys a lot of things, a lot of new stuff in React. Okay, from this video, from this session, we will also know what is pagination and how to do the pagination, how to create the pagination in React. Okay, after fetching the third-party API data in our React app. Okay, so everything is dynamic, nothing is static, nothing is hard-coded here in this video, in this session. Okay, so just sit back, calm, and be relaxed. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, let me now go to the code editor. So guys, here I'm going to use here the VS Code editor. Guys, you are free to use the IDE of your choice, of your preferences, but here I'm going to use the VS Code editor. Okay, so let me just create here a new file. I'll just say here fetch data in react dot jsx, save the file in the components folder, hit save. So let me guys just import the React first. I'll just import, okay, React, and I'm going to import the hooks also. So first hook I'm going to use here, use state, and the second hook I'm going to use here, I'm going to import here use effect. Okay, so guys, this user state is used to create the state variable in React. Okay, so guys, we all know that user state hook is going to use to create the state variables in our React app, in our React application, and this use effect hook is going to is going to do the side effects. Okay, so guys, we all know what is side effects. Okay, so guys, fetching the data is known as the side effect, updating the DOM is known as the side effect. Okay, updating the document title is known as the side effect. Okay, creating the timer is known as the side effect. Okay, subscribing to some events or the some subscriptions is known as the side effects. Okay, so guys, fetching the data, updating the document title, these, okay, kind of, okay, side effects, okay, these kind of events is the best example of side effects. Okay, so fetching the data is the most and the best example of side effects using the use effect hook in React. Okay, so this is it. I explained you these two hooks, user state and use effect. Okay, user state is used to create the state variable, and use effect is used to perform the side effects in React. Okay, like fetching the data, updating the page title, creating the timer, and subscribing to some events are the best example of side effects in React. Okay, this is it. Okay, let me just import here the tooltip also from the ant design as well. Okay, so guys, here I'm going to use here the ant design UI library to create the tooltip, to create the modal. Okay, so I'll just import the modal as well from the ant design itself. Okay, I'm going to import here the custom CSS as well. So guys, we can't apply the bootstrap classes on the ant design modal, so we have to import here, we have to write here our custom CSS as well. Okay, so guys, this is the CSS file I'm going to import here okay, so let me just show this this CSS file to you as well. So let me just show this. Okay, so guys, okay, you can see here modal css is the CSS file. Okay, we are going to use this custom CSS to apply the dark mode on our ant design UI modal. Okay, like I explained you that bootstrap classes is not going to work on ant design modal. Okay, so we can't apply dark mode, okay, theme on the ant design modal using the bootstrap classes. So for that we have to write here our custom CSS. Okay, so this is the few simple CSS, not a rocket science. You can just pause the video, you can just go through it. Okay, have a look at. Okay, and this is it. Okay, to apply the dark mode on the ant design modal. Okay, this is it. Just save the file and come to this now this component. Okay, so now guys, I'm going to import here the Axios. Okay, so guys, before using the Axios to fetch the third-party API data, along with UseEffect, we have to first import it. So I am going to import it now. I'm going to import the Axios from the Axios library. Okay, I have already installed it. Okay guys, this is the Axios. I have already installed it in my on my system. Okay, on this component or the project folder. Okay, so this is the system, or this is the we can say the syntax to use the Axios in our React app to fetch the data along with UseEffect also. Okay, so guys, this is it. I'm going to create here first the main component. I'll say here fetch API data equal to, I'll use here the fat arrow function, guys. Okay, so I'm going to use here the fat arrow function. So just return all the things also. I'll just say here return. I'm going to create here the container div or the wrapper div. I'll give the class name also. So first just close this div. I'll say here container margin top. Okay, I'll say here margin top 5 and margin bottom also 5. This is it. Okay, so open this div. Let me just export this first. I'll say here export. Okay, default fetch API data, the component name or the const name. Okay, this is it. So let me just create here. Let me just go to the browser first. Okay, so let me just copy this text from here and come to the code now. So let me just create here the first our h1 element. Okay, so let me just create here the h1 element. I'll just say here h1. So just close this h1 very quickly. Let me just give you the classes also. Okay, I'm going to use here the predefined classes from the bootstrap. Okay guys, I'm going to use here the predefined classes from the bootstrap. Okay, so I'll just say here font weight. Okay, bold. I'll just say here text center. I'll just say here text primary. Okay, just open this and just paste it here. This is it. If we want, we can just convert this to h3 because h1 will be too larger. Okay, so guys, as of now just save the file. Guys, as of now just save this file. Okay, and now come to the app.jsx file. Okay, we are going to import this component in our app.jsx file. Okay, so I'll just say here import. Okay, fetch API data. This is it. Just copy this from here and just paste it here. Okay, just close this. save the file, have a look in the browser. Now come to the browser. So now let me just comment this app first. So just comment this out and comment this out also, save the file, have a look, refresh the page first. So because we are using here Axios, okay, for the first time, so it is going to take some time also to refresh, okay guys, because here for the first time we are going to use here Axios, okay, so it is going to take some time to refresh the page, okay, so let it be, okay. Okay, so we can see here the now the output is here, because for the first time we have used here Axios, okay, this Axios, so it took bit time to refresh the page, okay. So let me just say here another class, I'll say here display, okay, I'll say here 4. Now this is it, so let me just make it, okay, let it be guys, okay, let it be, okay. So guys, now first of all guys, I'm going to create here few state variables, okay. So guys, now first of all I'm going to create here few state variables as well, okay. So let me just do that now. Inside the same component, okay, inside the same component fetch API data, we are going to create here few state variables also from this user state, okay. So I'm going to create here few state variables now, okay. I'll just create here the first state variable, I'll just say here users, okay, users, and I'll just say here set users from the user state, okay. And guys, let me just make this user state variable as an array, okay. So guys, this is known as the array destructuring, okay guys, this is known as the array destructuring. And guys, this first element is known as the state variable, and this set users is known as the state updater function, okay guys. This users is known as the state variable, and this second element of this array set users is known as the state updater function, okay. And this users is the array, okay. You can see here the default value, the initial value of this users state variable is the array, is the blank or the empty array, okay. This is it. Let me just create here a few more state variables. I'll just explain you all the things. So const, I'll just create here loading, I'll say here set loading state updater function use state, okay, use state. And as of now just give here the default value as a true, okay. So now I'm going to create here a few more state variables. I will just say here error to show the error to the user on the browser. I'll just say here, because we are going to fetch here the data, so we might have some error as well, okay. So we have to show the data, we have to show the error as well to the user, that what is the issue, what is the error, okay, with their app, okay. I'll say here use state, and as of now just give here the null value, okay. So now const, don't worry, I'll explain you all the things, okay. To the code, to the deep, okay. I'll just say here dark mode, to apply the dark mode or the light mode dynamically. I'll just say here set dark mode state updater function use state, okay. And as of now just make it false, because initially there should be the light mode only, by default light mode. So we will give here the false value as a initial value of this dark mode state variable. This is it. I'll just create here a few more state variables. I will just say here current, okay, page, okay. I'll just say here set current page from use state, because we are going to create here the pagination. So for the pagination we will say here current page and set current page, okay. This is it, okay. So give here the default value of this current page state variable as a 1, okay. This is it, okay. So now I'll just say here another const I will create here, simple const I will create here as a user users, say here users per page, okay. So I want to show here users per page. I will just show here for user per page, okay. So this is the simple variable, simple const, okay. and this is the self explanatory. Okay, this is it. Okay, I'll just create here a few more state variables. I'll just say here const. Okay, and I'll just say here modal. Okay, like open modal. So open modal. To open the modal, we will just create here the modal also. I'll explain you. I'll just show you. Okay, I'll just say here set. Okay, give here small o, and I'll just say here set open. Okay, set open modal state updater function to update the state. Okay, I'll just say here use state. Okay, as of now just give here the default value as a false. Okay, I'll explain you each and everything. Okay, in depth, in details. Okay, I'll just say here I'll create here another state variable. I'll say here modal data to show the data in the modal. Okay, to show the data in the modal. Okay, I'll just say here set modal data. Okay, state updater function use state, and as of now just make it an object. Okay, so by default value, the default value of this modal data is a plain or the empty object. Okay, so this is the object. Okay, this is the object. Okay, and now the last state variable I'm going to create here, I will just create the last state variable as a let it be. Okay, we don't need here any counter because we are not going to create here any counter. Okay, so let it be. Okay, so guys this is it. Okay guys, this is it. So in this way we have created here few state variables. Also we will use this state variable in our react app, in our react application. Okay, so guys first of all let me just create here the buttons to apply the dark mode. Okay, so let me just create here the buttons. Okay, to apply the dark mode, so I am going to create here the button first. I'll just create the div first. So close this div. I'll just say here text center to bring the button into the center of the page. Okay, text center. So I'm bit okay like extra fast. Okay, with my mind. Okay, so that's why sometime I make okay okay like prior mistake. Okay, sometime I make prior mistake. Okay, I'll just create here the button also inside this div button. So I'll just give the class name also. I'll just say here btn. Okay, I will just say here info. Okay, and let's guys just make this class as a dynamic class. Okay, using the backtick. Okay, don't make this class as a static class. Use here curly braces and backtick. Okay, to make it dynamic classes. Okay, this is it. So now based on the this state. Okay, based on this state dark mode, we are going to apply the we are going to create the text. Okay, of this button. So I'll just say here if this is true, means dark mode is applied. We will say here apply light mode. Okay guys, if this dark mode state variable is true, which means dark mode is already applied, so we will say here apply light mode. Okay, apply light mode. Okay, if this is false, we will say here apply dark mode. This is it. Okay, so guys, as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser. See, we can see here the button apply dark mode. Now we can see here because this is false. Okay, the dark mode is now false, so let's just make it true. We will see here if this is true, we will see here apply light mode. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser. Apply light mode is now here on the button text, so just Control Z. Okay, save the file. This is it. Okay, so guys now okay, so guys this is it. Okay, let me just apply the dynamic classes also to this button. I'm going to use here the dollar sign open and closing curly braces. We will just check here. So I will just need here the template only, so just paste it here and just remove this. We can't apply the text, okay, as a class, although we can apply, but I want to apply here the classes. Okay, bootstrap classes. Okay, I'll say here btn danger. Okay, and I'll say here btn info. Save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see here btn info is applied, so make this again true. We will say here another class is now applied btn. Okay, let's just make it okay. So you can see here btn danger is now applied on this button, apply light mode. Okay, so just control Z now, save the file. Okay, so guys, now first of all let me just create here one div. Okay, so I'll just create here div. I'll give the class name also as a row. I'll just use here the justify content center. Okay, so close this div. Okay, and as of now let it be. Okay, as of now let it be here. We are going to show the dynamic data which we are going to fetch from the external server, from the external API. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, now come to the above this return statement. Now we are going to write our function. We are going to write our UseEffect method, okay, to fetch the third party API along with using this Axios as well. Okay, so copy this UseEffect, okay, state like hook also from here, and now we will just say here, just paste it. I'll use here the fat arrow function like this. Okay, so guys, just give here the empty dependency array. Okay, so guys, this is known as the empty dependency array. Okay, so guys, because guys, this empty dependency array is empty, we don't have any value in this empty dependency array. So guys, this use effect hook is going to run only once. Okay, this use effect hook is going to run only once, because because here the dependency array value is empty. There is no value as a dependency array value, so this use effect will execute only once. Once it is going to run only once, when the component is going to be mounted for the first time. Okay, when the component is going to be mounted for the first time, this use effect hook is going to be is going to run for the first time, because here empty dependency array value is 0. Okay, there is no value in this empty in this dependency array. Okay, so this is known as the dependency array, and this use effect hook, okay, this use effect hook is dependent on this dependency array. Okay guys, this use effect hook is dependent on this dependency array. If we will have any value as a dependency array and that value will change, then also every time this use effect will execute, this use effect will fire. Okay, every time that dependency array value will change, which we will provide here in this dependency array. Okay, so this is it. Okay, this is it all about. So just open this, and now guys, now let me just, okay, first of all let me just show you a simple demo of this use effect hook. Okay, of this use effect hook. Okay, like I explained you, we can dynamically update the document title as well. So we will just say here document dot title to dynamically change the document title. I'll say here hello developers. Okay, hello developers. Just close this. So guys, now as of now, just okay, save the file. As of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser. So now you can see here hello developers is here. Let me just say here dev. Okay, I'll say here hello dev, save the file. You can see here, refresh the page one more time. You can see here hello dev is now here as a document title. Okay, so we can update the DOM, we can update the document title also using this use effect hook. Okay, and this is the example of side effects. Okay, this is the example of side effects. Okay, so now let me just, now guys, we are going to create here one function inside this use effect. Okay, so I'll just create here one method, one function. I'll say here const, I'll say here fetch API data. Okay, equal to, guys, now this is it. I'm going to use here the anonymous factor function. Okay, I'll just say here like this. Okay, so guys, I would like to use here the always I would like to use here factor function. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, now we have to copy this Axios, okay, from here. So copy this Axios from here, and now inside this fetch API data, we are going to use this Axios, okay, to fetch the data, okay, along with this use effect. Okay, so we will say here const, let it be by const. Okay, I'll say here this Axios and dot, I'm going to use here the get method. Okay, like put delete patch we have the get method as well. Okay, so guys, like, okay, put, delete, patch, okay, update method, we have the get method as well. So I am going to use here the get method. Okay, so I'll say here get. Okay, and now inside this, guys, inside this get method, guys, inside this get method, we have to pass the URL. Okay, URL of the API. Okay, the, like the URL of the API, from which we have to fetch the API data. Okay, from which we have to fetch the API data, we have to pass as a parameter, we have to pass as a parameter to this dot get method. Okay, so I am going to the example, the previous example. Let me just copy this. Okay, this URL from here. Let me just copy it from here and just paste it here. Okay, so paste it here inside the single or double quote, we can paste it. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so we will say here Axios dot get is the method, and we have to pass the URL as a parameter to this get method when we have to use here the Axios. Okay, so guys, Axios is going to handle, Axios is going to do all the heavy lifting for us. Okay, we don't have to wait for the promise, we don't have to show the issue, we don't have to show the error, we don't have to pass the data as well. Okay guys, we are not going to do anything, just Axios, just use the Axios, and Axios is going to do all the heavy lifting for you. Okay, just guys, use the Axios to fetch the data, and Axios is going to handle all the error, all the data conversion, all the issues on its own. Okay, we don't have to do anything, we just have to use the Axios to fetch the data, and it is going to handle all the issues, all the converting the data, fetching the data on its own. Okay, we just have to use the Axios. Okay, along with the dot get method. Okay, inside the UseEffect hook. Okay, this is it. So now I will just say here dot then method. Okay, I'll say here dot then method, and now it is going to give us the response. Okay, I'll say here response. I'll use here the filter function like this, open and closing curly braces. Okay, so open this now, and guys, now we have to use this set users state updater function to update this users state variable. So copy it from here, and we will just say here like this. So we will just say here response dot data, we will say here response dot data. Okay, whenever guys we have to use here the Axios, we have to say here this response dot data to get the data. Okay, this response dot data to get the data. Okay, so this is it. Okay guys, this is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now I'm going to use here the catch method as well to catch the error if any. I'll say here catch, and now I'm going to use here the again filter function. I'll say here err. Okay, to show the error. Okay, I'll just use here the filter function again like this. Okay, open and closing curly braces, just open this. Okay, we will just set this issue, just copy this. Okay, set error state updater function, and now we are going to update this error state variable. Okay, so we will just say here console. I will just first console dot we will just say here console dot error to log the error in the console, okay, of the user. We will say here or make it, okay, let it be, we will say here error. Okay, error fetching users data. Okay, just give a space, give colon, put comma, and we will just show this error as well. Okay, so copy this error and just paste it here, and just paste it here. And now just copy this set error state updater function to update this error state variable as well. So we will just say here, paste it here, and we will just say here this error object. Okay, so guys, this is the object. Okay guys, this error is the object. Okay, so it must have one property or the key called message. Okay, so we will say here error dot message to show the actual message to the user. Okay, this is it. And now I'm going to use here the finally block as well. So I'll just say here finally, I'll just use here the flat arrow function again, okay, like this. So just close this. We will say here this set loading to, again we will make it, okay, again we will make it false, okay. So copy this and just paste it here. We will just say here false, okay. So guys, let me guys explain you few things, okay, very important, okay. Guys, this finally block is going to execute, okay guys. This finally block is going to execute every time, no matter what is the result of this catch and this Axios block, okay guys. This finally block is going to execute every time whenever this, okay, fetch API data is going to execute, no matter what is the outcome, what is the result, what is the output of these two block, okay. So guys, this finally block is independent of these, okay, cache and the Axios block, okay. This is it, okay guys. This is it, okay. So guys, now in this way, we have just defined our fetch API data function, okay guys. In this way we have just defined our this fetch API data, okay. So we have to call it explicitly, okay guys. We have to call this fetch API data also explicitly, then only this fetch API data is going to be executed, is going to run whenever our component is going to be mounted, this fetch, okay, this use effect is going to execute, is going to run, and we will just execute this fetch API data whenever our component is going to be mounted for the first time, okay. So we have to explicitly call this fetch API data as well. So copy this from here, and I'm going to call it here only below this, so like this, okay. So guys, this is it, okay. So in this way we have called this, okay, fetch API data function, and for the first time this, okay, component will mount. This use effect hook is going to execute, is going to run, and we will just run this fetch API data also, and we will fetch the data as well, okay. So let me just write the comment here also, call the function when component mounts, okay. So this is it, okay. So guys, this is it, okay. So guys, let me just show here the response as well, okay. Let me just show you the response as well. I'll say here console, okay, dot log. I will just show you the response as well. So we will say here dot response, okay. So guys, as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser, okay. So now go to the developer tools first, go to console, and now refresh the page one more time. So see, boom guys, boom, we got the response. Guys, you can see here we got the response. See, this is the data and this is the request. You can see here the status code is 200, which means everything is okay, everything is all right, everything is working fine and fantastic. You can see here guys, the status code is 200, which means okay. And guys, you can see here we are getting the data as well. See, we're getting the data, and this data is the array, okay. You can see here this data is again an array. You can see here we are getting the data 0 element, first element up to the 9 element, okay. So guys, we have to use this data, we have to loop through this data array, and we have to show the data to the user, okay, on the browser. So we are going to do that now. Let me just show you the data as well. So let me just show you the data as well. I'll say here console.log. I will just say here this response dot data. So copy it from here and just paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser. Let me just refresh the page one more time manually. See, boom guys, boom, we got the data, we got the response as well. See guys, this is the response and this is the data, 0 element, first element up to the 9 element. So technically this array has 10 element, okay. So guys, technically this array has 10 element up to 0 to 9, okay. This is it, and we will use this data let me just open this. You can see here address, company, email, id, name, phone, username, and the website also. Open this first element, okay, address, company, email, id, name, phone, username, and website. Okay, open this last ninth element, okay, address, company, email, id, name, phone, username, and website. We have to just look through this array data, and we have to just show all the data on the screen to the user. Okay, so just close this, and now just guys, now let me just you can see here this users is the now array. So we can obviously, we can of course, okay, use the map method of this users state variable to look through all the data. You can see here we are using here this set users state updater function to update this users state variable, which is an array, okay, which is an array. So we can use this users state variable to look through using the map method, okay, using the map method. So we are going to do that now. Okay, so just copy this, and as of now just paste it here. Okay, so guys, as of now just paste it here. Before doing this, we have to do here few more important things. Okay, before doing this, before looping through all the data, we have to do here a few important things also. We have to show this loading, and we have to show this error also. We have to show the loading that we are fetching the data. So please wait, okay, to the user, and we will show the error also to the user that, okay, this is the issue, this is the error. Okay, if he or she is not connected to the internet. Okay, we will show the error also. So copy this, okay, loading state variable from here, and we will just below this, okay, above this return statement, we will say here if. Okay, we will just say here if. Okay, if this is true, we will just say here return. Okay, we will say here return. Close this. We will just say here use the div container div or the wrapper div. We will just say here. So close this. Here we are going to show the loading status to the user. We will say here please wait, we are fetching the data. Okay, we will just say here text center and margin top 5. I'll just say here display 2. We will say here text danger. This is it. We will just show the message to the user as well. I'll just create here h2 element, give the class name also font weight, I'll say here bold. Okay, this is it. We will say here loading data, please wait a while, please wait a while, give 3 dots. Okay, this is it. So as of now just save the file, just copy this, and we have to show the error as well. So we will just show the error as well. So copy this error state variable from here, and just paste it here. We will just change the message only because we are going to show here the error, we are going to show here the issue to the user. So we will just say here error loading users data. Okay, give 3 dots here also. So as of now just remove this. We will get the issue because of this. So remove this, save the file, and have a look in the browser. You can see here we got the message. You can see here loading, please wait. Okay, you can see here for the few seconds. Okay, it says loading, please wait. Okay, so let me just put here extra as, let me just make this a URL unlegit or the unvalid URL. Okay, so just save the file, have a look in the browser. Now refresh the page. You can see here error loading the users data. We will say here users data. Okay, and we will just say here display 3. Okay, so let me just say here also display 2. Okay, display 2. Okay, so this is it. Let's just remove the extra s from this URL, save the file, and now we'll just say here loading data, please wait. You can see here loading data, please wait. Okay, so now everything is fine, everything is cool. So now we will just use this user state variable to loop through, okay, to show the user data, okay, to show the user details, all the user details, okay, on the browser. Okay, so we're going to do that now. I will just say here, open and closing curly braces like this. We will use here the map method to loop through this, okay, users array state variable. I explained you, this is the users is the array, okay, and this is the state variable. Okay, so come to the code now. So I'll just create here the user. I'll just use the index as well. I'll use here the fat arrow function like this. Open this and now open this, create a div. I'll just create a div. I'll give the class name also. I'll just say here call double xl. I'll just say here 3 user. I'll say here call mg also 3. Okay, and I'll just say here margin bottom. I'll give you a 4, and we have to use here the key prop as well. So I'll say here keep key. I'll say here index only. Okay, so this is it. Close this div very quickly. Just open this div. Okay, and inside this div I'm going to create here another div. Okay, I'll just create the div. I'll just create here the dynamic classes using the backtick and the open and closing curly braces. So close this div first. I'll just use here the static class. I'll say here card. Okay, and I'll just say here shadow lg to show the shadow. Okay, and I'll just use here the now I'll use here the dollar sign and open and closing curly braces to use this dark mode. So copy this, paste it here. We will say here if this is true, we will apply here bg dark, and we will say here text white as well, text white. If this is false, we will apply here nothing. Okay, nothing. So just open this div, and inside this div I'm going to create here another div. I will just create here another div. I'll give the class name also. So close this div very quickly, otherwise we will have a lot of issues due to this. Okay, and we will just say here card body. Okay, card body. I'll just give you the padding 3 also. Open this div, and inside this div I'm going to create here h5 element. Okay, I'll just close this h5. I'll give you the class name also. I'll just say here card title. I'll just use here open and closing curly braces, and we will just say here this user. Okay, this user dot name to show the name. I explained you, I have shown you also. So now we can see here all the names of the user is now shown in the card. Okay, so let me just go to the developer tools one more time for the U only. So go to the console. Let me just open this array. Okay, go to the 0th element. You can see here okay, address, company, email, id, name, phone number, username, and website. We will say here user dot name to show the name, user dot phone to show the phone number, user dot username bread, user dot okay website to show the website. Okay, so close this div very quickly. So now let me just give here one thing also. Margin top I'll give you a 4. So now there is a gap. Okay, it's look cool also, and it looks eye pleasing as well. Okay, so now just come to the code very quickly, and below this h5 we are going to create here few para element, few p elements. Okay, so just now I'm going to create here the strong element as well, strong, and just to close this strong very quickly. Okay, close this strong very quickly. Okay, so I'll just say here we can give here the classes to this p element also. We will just say here card text. Okay, so guys, these all classes I'm using here from the bootstrap. Okay, bootstrap. Okay, I'll just say here to show the email. I'll say here email, give a space, give colon, and I'll just say here open and closing curly braces user dot email to show the email. Save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see, boom guys, now the email is now shown also in the card. Okay, so now just copy this p element. Okay, and paste it couple of times also, paste it couple of times. Okay, we will just say here to show the phone. I'll say here phone, and we will just say here user dot phone. I showed you and to show the here we will show here city. Okay, we will say here city user, and I'm going to use here the JavaScript, okay, optional chaining operator. Okay, I'll just say here open this address, okay, address, and I'll just say here question mark dot, I'll just say here city. Okay, so let me just open this go to the developer tools one more time and go to the console, open this array object, go to the first, go to anywhere, this you can see here inside the address. Okay guys, you can see here inside the address we have city, okay, we have geolocation, street, okay, suite, and the zip code as well. Okay, we can show anything if we want, we can show the zip code as well. Okay, so copy this, I'll just say here zip code. Okay, and I'll just say here inside the user dot address I have used here the optional chaining operator. Okay, so to show the zip code, just copy this zip code from here and just paste it here. This is it. Okay, and now I'm going to show here the mean the company as well. So I'll just say here company. Okay, so you can see here inside the user we have, okay, company. Okay, we have company dot name. Okay, company dot name. So we will just use here the optional chaining operator as well. So we will just say here user dot company question mark dot, I'll just say here company name. You can see here, you can see here, open this company object. You can see here company dot name, company dot name to show the company. Okay, so we will say here users dot company question mark and dot. Okay, this is known as the optional chaining operator. Okay, and it is used to access the nested, okay, JavaScript object property. Okay guys, this optional chaining operator is used to access the nested JavaScript object property, and it is used to avoid the runtime error. Okay, it is used to avoid the runtime error. Okay, I have explained you very well in the previous videos. If you don't know what is optional chaining operator, just go and watch my previous videos. I've explained it, okay, very well there. Okay, so this is it. Okay, this is known as the optional chaining operator. Okay, this is known as the optional chaining operator. Okay, so as of now, just save the file, have a look in the browser, just close this, and you can see here let me just say here okay, so just minor okay, so cut this out and just paste it here. Okay, so cut this out and just paste inside the strong element. Okay, so cut it out, paste inside the strong element, cut this out and just paste inside the strong element, cut this out and paste it inside the strong element. Okay, so this is it, give space, it looks cool also. Okay, save the file. So now we can see here the email address, okay, phone number, city, zip code, and the company also. And now I'm going to show here the website as well. Okay, I'm going to show here the website as well. Okay, so let me just copy this, okay, p element and paste it one more times. Okay, I'll say here website to show the website. Okay, so I'll just say here user dot just the website to access the website property. Okay, this is it, save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see here now the website is also shown here. Okay, so as of now, just apply the dark mode also. So now the dark mode is not being applied. Let me just test what is the issue. We will say here on this card okay, so okay, how we can apply here the dark mode, okay, on this through this button. Okay, we have to create here one button also to call this dark mode. Okay, you can see here we're going to toggle, okay, this, okay, boolean value false to true, true to false on a button click only. You can see here on a button click only we're going to do that. Okay, so we have to now come to this button. Now on this button I'll just say here on click I will use here the anonymous filter function like this. I'll just use this set dark mode state updater function. So copy it from here and just paste it here. I will just say here like this. Okay, I'll just say here like this. Okay, dark mode, copy this dark mode and we will just negate it. Okay, we will just negate it. Okay, so this exclamation mark is known as the negation of any boolean value. Okay, any boolean value. Okay, so if it is true, it will make it false. If it is false, it will make it true. Okay, so in this way we can toggle the state. Okay, in this way we can toggle the state when this button is going to be clicked, okay, by the user. So save the file and now have a look in the browser, apply the dark mode. See, boom guys, you can see here the dark mode is now applied, and now you can see here the background color is also now changed of this button to red. Okay, button btn danger. So just toggle the things. See, boom, see, boom guys, boom. Okay, so guys, as of now we have shown here all the 10 user cards. Okay, so guys, as of now we have shown here all the 10 user cards. Okay, so guys, we can truncate this also, we can cut this also, and we can show single, double, triple, 4, 5, 6. Okay, like we can show guys a number of cards. Okay, as per our need, as per our requirements. Okay, so let me just show you how we can do that. Okay, let me just show you how we can do that. So we will just say here data dot, okay, slice. Okay, we will just say here data dot slice, and we will just I will just show here the 4 user card. We will just say here, so this is the starting index and this is the ending index. Okay, so we will use here the slice to slice the array. We all know what is JavaScript method slice. Okay, we all know. So this save the file. So we will see here only 4 user card. Okay, so 0 is included and 4 is excluded. Okay, 0 is included and this 4 is excluded. So we will say, we will have here 0, 1, 2 and 3. So we will see here 4 user profile card. Okay, using this slide method, JavaScript array slicing method. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser. So see, we can refresh the page also for one more time. We can see here only 4 user card. See, we can only see here 4 user card. Okay, we can only see here 4 user card. Okay, so but let me just reward this back, or let me just let it be. So let me just copy this and just paste it here. Let's just comment this out. Okay, so we have to, as of now, we have to show all the details, all the user profile card, all the 10 user profile card. Okay, okay, so save the file and now refresh the page one more time. Okay, so we have to, we can see now all the 10 user profile card. We can apply the dark mode also dynamically. We can toggle the themes, okay, from light mode to dark mode using this, okay, buttons. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so now guys, we are going to implement the pagination. Okay guys, now we are going to implement the pagination. Okay, so guys, just be careful and be mindful, because now they are going to implement the pagination. Okay, so guys, let me just go to the code now, because we are going to implement the, now guys, we are going to implement the pagination. Okay, so below this, okay, method, below this use effect, we are going to write the code now. I'll just create here a few cons. Okay, I'll just create here a few cons. Okay, I'll say here index. Okay, index of, I'll just say here last user. So we are going to calculate, okay, this, okay, first index and the last index. Okay, which means the starting index, okay, and the ending index of this slide, okay, of this slice method. Okay, of this slice method, we are now going to calculate this, okay, starting index and the last index, okay, of this slice method, and we will just slice, okay, this users state variable, and we will just apply the pagination as well. Okay, we will just apply the pagination as well. Okay, so let me just write the code here. I'll just copy this. Okay, we will just say here this, okay, state variable current, okay, page, okay, state variable, copy it from here and just paste it here. We will just multiply it by, okay, multiply it by users per page. Okay, users per page is now 4 as of now. So just paste it here. This is it. So now this is the last index of the user, so we have to calculate here the first index of the user as well. So we will just say here const, we will say here index, okay, index of first user. We will say here this, okay, we will just say here index of last user, index of last user minus, we will just say here this, okay, we will just say here users per page minus it. So we will just say here minus this. Okay, so in this way we have calculated here the first index, or the starting index, and the last index of this slice method. Okay, so we have to now create here another const. I'll just say here const, okay, and I'll just say here current, okay, current users. Okay, how many users we want to show, okay, how many users we want to show. So guys, now we can see here this user is the, okay, you can see here this users is the all the users. Okay guys, you can see here this users is the all the users. Okay, this users, okay, this users is the all the users. So we have to apply the slice method on this users state variable also. I am going to apply the slice method on this users only. So copy this from here, and we will just say here, paste it here. We will just say here dot slice, okay, and we will just pass this, okay, the first index. So copy it from here and just paste it here, put comma, and now the index of the last user as well. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so in this way we have calculated here, we have calculated here how many users, okay, how many users we are going to show on each and every page. Okay, so guys, in this way we have calculated here how many users we have to show on a single page. Okay, so guys, now we are going to calculate the number of pages as well. Okay, now guys, we are going to calculate the guys, now we are going to calculate the number of pages as well. How many pages will be there, okay, how many pages will be there out of this, okay, out of this users, okay, state variable. So as of now this is the full users, and it contains 10 users data. Okay, you can see here this contains, okay, 10 users data. So we are going to calculate the now number of pages as well. Okay, we are going to calculate here the number of pages as well. So we will say here const total, say here total pages. Okay, say here total, okay, so oh, there is a spelling mistake. I'll say here total pages equal to, what is the, okay, so we will say here total pages equal to, I'll just use here the math dot seal. Okay, I'll just use here the math dot seal. Okay, so I'll just say here math dot seal. Okay, so math dot seal. Okay, so I will just use here the function or the method of the JavaScript, okay, to round to, okay, to round it. Okay, so like suppose we will have here 4.1, we will have here 5. If we will have 9.99, we will have here 10. If we will have a 7, we will have a 7 only, because 7 is the integer. So we are going to get here the integer value, okay, out of this. Okay, we will just say here out of this, okay, this current, okay, users length. So users, okay, this users, we will say here users dot length, okay, divided by this current user per page. Okay, divided by this current user per page. Okay, so just paste it here and just close this. So guys, in this way we will get here 3 pages. Okay, we will get here 3 pages. Okay, because I have used here. So let me just say here if math, okay, math dot seal is 4.1, we will have here 5 math dot seal. If we will have here 9.99, we will have here 10. Okay, we will have here 10, any integer value. And if we will have math dot seal, if we will have 7, so we will get here only 7, because 7 is already a integer value, because 7 is already a integer value. Okay, so guys, in this way we have calculated here the number of user I want to show on the single page and the total number of page as well. Okay, so just guys copy this current user. You can see here we have applied here users dot slice. Okay, you can see here on this users. Okay, on this users I have applied here users dot slice to slice it. Okay, I showed you like this. Okay, like this. Okay, like this we have done here also, like this we have done here also. And now we will use this current users instead of guys, instead of this users, this entire user guys, instead of this entire user we will now use this. Okay, current users. Okay, so copy this and now just replace with this users state variable, so paste it here. Now as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser. So see, boom guys, now we can see here 5 user card on a single page. We can see here only 5 user card on a single page. If we want, we can increase the number of this user per page. Let's just make it 5, save the file. You can see here 5 user card. Let's just make it 6, save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see here 7 user cards. Let's just make it 7, save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see here 7 user cards. Let's just make it 8, save the file, have a look in the browser. 8 user cards. Okay, 8 user profile cards. So as of now, let's just make it 4. Okay, this is it. Okay, so I hope I'm quite clear and quite okay, good enough to explain you the things. Okay, this is it. So just save the file, come to the code now. And now guys, we have to use here the pagination. We have to create here the pagination now using this. Okay, total page variable. Okay, using this total page variable. You can see here 3 pages here. We are getting here 3 pages. Okay, so we will get here. Okay, so we will get here guys. Okay, so 10. Okay, so total number is 10 divided by current users. So current user is as of now 4. Okay, so we will get here math. Okay, math dot seal, we will get here 2.5. Okay, we will get here 2.5. So the round integer is 3, so which means we will get here 3 pages. Okay, so we will use this. Okay, total pages state variable to create here the pagination. Okay, so guys, now I am going to do that now. Okay, I am going to do that now. Okay, so guys, copy this total pages state variable from here, and now below this div we are going to create here the pagination. So I'll just write the comment also for you, pagination codes. Okay, this is it. So now just create here one div. I'll just create the class name also. Let me just close this div. I will just create the classes first. I'll just say here deflex. Okay, I'll just say here justify content center. This is it. Okay, I'll give you a margin top also 5. I'll give you a margin bottom also 4. And now open this div. Okay, now open this div. And now guys, we are going to create here the array using the array dot from method. Okay guys, we are going to create here array using the array dot from method. So we will just say here array like this dot from. Okay, dot from, and we have to use here the open and closing curly like parenthesis, and inside this we have to use here open and closing curly braces, and we will pass here the length parameter as well. So guys, length will be this const total page. You can see here we will get here 3 page, so we will get here 3 buttons as well. Okay, we will get here 3 buttons as well. So copy this total page state variable from here, or the simple variable. Okay, because I am explaining you state variable also, so sometime I will say here state variable, so you can just understand that as well. Okay, we will just say here we will just paste it here. This is it. Okay, so guys, now we are going to loop through this. Okay, using this map method. So guys, okay, this second parameter is known as the looping method. Okay guys, this parameter is known as the looping method. Okay, so we will just loop through using this parameter. So I'll use here the underscore, because we don't need here value. I need here only index. Okay, I need just only index here. If we want, we can give here the value also, but it's not needed, it's not necessary, it's useless to give here the first, okay, like parameter. Okay, because we are just looping through, this array. Okay, using this, so guys, this is the array. Okay guys, this first parameter is known as the array, and this second parameter is known as the looping method. Okay, looping method. Okay, so we will just use here the fat arrow function. Okay, uh, so open this. Now we will just create here the button. Okay, so I'll just create here the button. So close this button, and now let me just give here the class name also. First of all, I'll give you the key props also, because we can see here we have used here the array method. Okay, so it is necessary inside the react to provide the key prop. Okay, so we will just give you this index, so that's why I need here only index. Okay, this is it. Okay, so I'll just provide here the classes also on this button. So I'll just say here class name. I'll use here the like dynamic classes using the curly braces and backtick. So I'll just say here btn, and I will just use here mx. Say here 2. I'll use here the dollar sign, open and close the curly braces, and I'll just say here this. Okay, current. Okay, current page. So copy this state variable current page from here, and just paste it here. We will just say here if it is equal to index plus 1. Okay, if it is equal to index plus 1, we will apply here the btn dark. We will apply here the btn dark. Okay, this is it. Otherwise we will apply here the btn outline. Say here dark. Okay, this is it. And now open this button. We have to show here the only this index only, because we can see here we are calculating here this total page from this total page variable. So you can see here it is 3 as of now, and here we have used here the array method. So we will have here only 3 buttons. Okay, so copy this index from here, and we will just say here open and closing curly braces, paste this plus 1. Okay, so as of now guys, just save the file and have a look in the browser. Okay, just save the file, have a look in the browser first. So let me just refresh the page. Okay, so just let me see. So class name btn current page equal to index. We will say here btn dark. Otherwise we will say here btn outline dark. Okay, and array from length. We will pass here total page, and so button. Let me just go to the inspect first, go to the console, and we don't have any issue. So let me just we don't have any issue. Okay, we can. Okay, so let me just check first. So total pages. So deflex justify content center, and let me just refresh the page. Okay, so let me guys check here this total page. Okay, so let me just okay, guys, here we have to say here users per page. Okay, we have to say here users per page. Okay, so now just paste it here, and now everything is okay, everything is fine now. So just save the file, and now have a look in the browser. So now see, boom guys, we can see here the buttons now. Okay, and now we have to apply here the on click method. Okay, now guys, we have to apply here on click method on this button also to increase the number of pages. Okay, to increase the number of pages, we have to apply here the on click method now. So I am going to do that now on this button. So just say here on click. So we will just say here on click. I'll just here, I'll just create here the anonymous filter function. I'll just say here handle. Okay, handle click. Okay, handle click. Okay, this is it. We have to pass here this, okay, index also. So I'm going to pass this index. Okay, and I have to make here the first page. So I'll just pass here with one also. So in this way we will pass here 1 2 3, because we all know that array is the zero based index. Okay, so we have to make it one. Okay, so copy this, and now we have to define this method name handle click. Okay, to increase the page number whenever user is going to click on the increase button. Okay, this button 1 2 3 to increase the page number. So just come to up. Okay, here I'll just create here this function. Just now I'll just use here the equal to, I'll just make it page, and now I'm going to use the filter function like this, and we will just what we will say here, we will just say here this, okay, set current page, we will just increase it by one. We will just increase it by one, or by pass this page as a parameter to this current page state updater function. Save the file, have a look in the browser now. So now click on second page. See, boom guys. Click on third page. See, boom. Click on first page, second page, third page. See, boom guys. I'm sorry. See, boom. Okay, okay, we can apply the dark mode as well. See, we can apply the dark mode as well. Okay, we can toggle the themes. So guys, now we have to create here buttons also to show the tooltip and to open the modal as well. Okay, so I am going to do that now. We have to create here two buttons also below this. Okay, and I mean inside the card only, on inside the user cards only. So come to the code now, and now here below this card body, I'm going to create here another div. Okay, I'll just give the class name also. I'll just say here card. Okay, footer. I'll just say here d flex, and I'll just say here justify content. I'll just say here between. Okay, between. So close this div, and now content between we have to say here. Okay, and now this is it. So now let me guys first of all create here the tooltip. Okay, let me just copy this tooltip component from here. We have to show here the tooltip also on this button as well. So I am going to create here the tooltip now. I'll just create here the tooltip. I'll just say here tooltip. So just close this tooltip, and now just cut it out from here, and just enclose this button only. So let's just this is it. So technically we have to cut this index prop from here, and we have to put it here, and I'll just give you the placement also. I'll just say here, why it is not auto showing. Okay, it has to auto suggest. Okay, I'll say here placement. Okay, let it be, I can write it on myself also, and I'll just say here color. I'll give here red, and I will just give you the title. I have to make here the title dynamic. I'll just say here just say here, we'll just say here let's just make it dynamic using the backtick. Okay, let's just make it dynamic. So we will just say here mm, index plus. Okay, we will just say here backtick dollar sign open and closing curly braces. We will say here index plus 1, and we will say here pages. Pages. Save the file, have a look in the browser. Okay, we got the issue. So let me just check what is the issue. So key prop is here. So title, as of now, let's just say here page, and now we got the issue. Loading data, please wait. Okay, so place tooltip. Okay, tooltip is here. So placement top. No, I don't think there is any issue, guys. Okay, placement, placement. So placement equal to top, and give here title. So title is what we can see in the tooltip. I'll say here title only. So I don't think, guys, there is any issue. There is no any issue, guys. There is no any issue at all. But still I can see issue. So let me just remove this. Okay, let me just check first here. Tooltip. Okay, okay. You can see here I am importing it, okay, from Bootstrap. Okay, we have to import it from Ant Design, guys. Okay, now, guys, save the file, have a look in the browser. See, it's gone. See, title, and guys, that's the reason. Okay, guys, that's the reason we can't see here any suggestions like placement. Okay, now, guys, now if we will remove no everything, we will get the except this key. Okay, because key is the prop. Okay, if we will remove everything and we will start typing it, no, we will get the suggestions as well. Okay, say here placement. Okay, you can see here we got the suggestion as well. You can see here we got the suggestion as well. And now say here color, we will get the suggestion as well. Okay, you can see here now we are getting the suggestion as well. I'll say the title, no. Okay, I'll just say title here. See, now we are getting the suggestions. Okay, so I was guys, I'm very sorry. We have to import it from the Ant Design. Okay, not from the Bootstrap. Okay, very sorry. I didn't like pay attention when I was importing it. Okay, initially. So very sorry for this. Okay, so now everything is fine, everything is sorted out. There is no issue with this div at all. Okay, so guys, you can see here I have to be very careful while writing the code. Okay, so I will just say here this. Okay, I'm going to use here the backtick to make it dynamic. I'll just say here dollar sign open and closing curly braces. I'll just say here index plus 1. I'll just say here pages. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser. Now you can see here page 2, page 1, page, okay, page 3. See, now we can see each and everything very fine and very fantastic. Okay, so now, guys, we have to create the buttons also. These button. Okay, see the profile, and whenever user will hover over the contact button, we will show the tooltip also, and we will show the email in the tooltip. Okay, so I'm going to create here the button also. So let's just create the button from the Ant Design as well. I'm going to import here the button as well from the Ant Design itself. Okay, this is it. Copy this component button from here, and just come here. So it will take a lot of time, like less time, to create the button. Okay, so give here the I'll just give here the say here I'm going to give you the like prop also. Say I'll say here type as well. I'll just give you the primary. Okay, so just it. I'll just say here contact user. Okay, this is it. And now let me just cut this out. First I will create here the tooltip. Okay, first I'll just create here the tooltip. So tooltip, I'll just close this tooltip very quickly. So I will just give the placement also. Top, I'll just give you the color prop as well. So not console, color. Okay, I'll just say here blue. Okay, I'll just say here the uh, say here arrow also. To show the arrow, we will give here the true to show the arrow. Okay, this is it. So open this tooltip. Inside the tooltip we will say here title also. So title is the content. We have to show the content in the tooltip. Okay, like we will say here I'm going to show here dynamically the email. So we have to say here dollar. So we have to say here we can say here just like this. Say here user dot email to show the email address. Open this tooltip and just paste this button now. So now save the file, have a look in the browser. So now we can see here the button also contact user, and we can see the email address also in the button whenever user is going to hover over this button in the tooltip. Okay, so see, it looks cool also. See, go to the third page, go to the second page. Okay, so we have to create here another button now. So just copy this button, just copy this button and just paste it here. This is it. Okay, we have to say here see details. Save the file, have a look in the browser. See details is now here. So we have to call here one method, okay, to open the modal. Okay, so let me just go to the ant design to copy the code of the modal. Okay, so go to the ant design, I'm sorry, go to the components, go to the components and go to the modal. Now here is the modal, open this. So this is the guys ant design. Okay, I have used here to create the UI. Okay, to create the UI, so I'm going to use this modal. So see the code, go to the JavaScript. Okay, go down and copy this modal from here to here. This is it. Okay, so come to the code now, and below this div, let's just paste it here. Okay, so let's just arrange this. Okay, so yeah, this is cool. So we have already created here the state variables. Okay, for this modal we have already created here the state variables. Okay, for this modal, so we have to replace with that. So copy this set open modal state updater function and just replace with this, and just replace with this also, and copy this open modal state variable from here, and just to replace with this. This is it. So we have to so now this is it. So we have to create here one function, okay, on this button also. So I'll just say here on click. Okay, we will just create here anonymous filter function like this. Okay, and we will just call here one method also. I'll just say here open modal now. Okay, and we will just pass this, okay, entire user object. Copy this and just paste it here. So this is it. So we have to define this method now. Copy this method name and we have to define it now. So I'm going to define it now. Okay, so just paste it here, create a const and just paste it here. So just now filter function I will use here, close this and give here equal to So give here equal to, now we have to call this, okay, copy this from here and paste it here, and we will just make it as a, you can see here as of now this open modal state updater function is false, so we have to make it true also. So make it true, save the file, and now have a look in the browser first how it is going to behave. So come to this, refresh the page one more time, and now loading data, please wait. Open the modal by clicking this see details button. See, boom guys, now the modal is being opened. See, now we have to show the data, we have to make this modal dynamic as well. Okay, we have to make this modal dynamic as well. So as of now, just apply the dark mode. You can see here the modal, on this modal the dark mode is not applied. Okay, you can see here on this modal the dark mode is not applied, so we have to do one thing here. I will just say here, class name. Okay, I'll just use here the what can I say, backtick, okay, to make it dynamic. So we will just use here the backtick. So I'll just use here backtick. I'll just copy this, okay, dark mode state updater function or the state variable from here, and just on this modal we will just say here, and I showed you the class also. So I will just say here, I will just copy this. Okay, let me just copy this classes from this here only, modal css.css class. Okay, so this is the css, copy this from here and just paste it here. If dark mode is true, we will apply the dark mode, otherwise we will apply the nothing. Okay, so this is it. Now save the file, have a look in the browser. Now open the modal. See, boom guys, now the modal is also in dark mode. See, boom, I explained you bootstrap classes is not going to work on this, okay, anti-design modal. So we have to create here the we have to write here the custom css, okay, and to apply the custom classes on this modal of and design. Okay, because bootstrap classes is not going to work on this modal of and design. Okay, this is it. Okay, so come to the code now, and now this is it. So copy this, okay, state updater function, set modal data to update this modal data object. Okay, object. So copy it from here and just paste it here. Now we will just pass this user entirely inside this, and now everything from this user is now inside this modal data state updater function. Okay, inside this modal data state updater function. So we will use this now. So copy this, okay, and now come to the modal now. I'm very sorry I'm very sorry guys. Okay, so just create here a strong element also and close this as strong, and now I'll just show all the details also, like name, email address, phone number, address, website, okay, company we will show here. Okay, so now we will just say here modal data dot name to show the name. Okay, like this. Save the file. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser now. So open the modal. See, boom guys, you can see here name is now shown. Click OK. See this user details. Okay, now name is shown here. Click OK. Go to the second page. See details. I'm very sorry. Click OK. Since I'm like speaking since a long time, so my voice is like this. Okay, click OK. See details. Click OK. Go to the third page. See details. Okay, so everything is working fine. Everything is doing great. Okay, so come to the code now. So let me just copy this p and paste it a couple of times only. So let's just paste it here. Let's just paste it here, and just paste it here a couple of times also. This is it. I'll show here the email address, email, and I'll show here the say here phone. I'll show here the city of the user. I'll show here the company of the user on which she or he is working. Company. I'll show here the website as well. Okay, So I'll just replace with this properties as well, or the value as well. I'll say here email, and I'll just show here the phone number. I'll say here phone, and to show the city you have to say here dot address. I'll use here again JavaScript, okay, optional chaining operator to access the nested properties of the object, okay. And in this way we're going to avoid the runtime error, so our app will not crash, our app will not stop all of a sudden, okay. So we have to say here dot city to show the city, and now to show the company we will say here company optional chaining operator. We will say here dot name to show the company name, and we will just say here modal data dot website. Save the file, have a look in the browser now. So let's just say here make it okay, make it dynamic as well, this title dynamic as well. We will say here modal data, and to show the name of the user, particular user, we will say here name. So in this way the modal is completely dynamic. Save the file, have a look in the browser now. Okay, now go to the first page. Now see details of this first user profile card. See, boom guys, see, boom. Okay, click OK. See this details of this user profile card. See, boom guys, this is the profile card. Okay, see this is the profile card. Cancel, go to the second page. See pages, see guys, okay, you can see here how dynamic and how cool it is, okay. So we can apply the dark mode also, we can apply the light mode as well, we can change the page number also, because we have implemented here pagination as well, okay. You can see everything is working fine, everything is doing great and fantastic, okay. We can see the details also of any particular user in the nice and dynamic and design modal as well, okay. Go to the third page, see details, click OK. See details, click OK. So go to the second page, we can change the pages dynamically also, and these okay cards are also going to change, okay. It is also changing dynamically on each and every page, okay. So we have learned here a lot of things also, what is okay use state, what is use effect hook also, how to create state variables, how to okay dynamically call the state variable also, and how to dynamically update the state variable as well, okay. And how to fetch the API data using the use state hook and the Axios, okay, library as well, okay. In this video, in this session, okay, with me ER Prabhat Pandit, okay. So I hope guys you will subscribe now my this channel code with ER, and you will press the bell icon also. Please guys subscribe now, and please press the bell icon also. Please guys consider me as your friend, consider me as your brother, and you can guys support me, and you can promote me also by liking this video also. And please guys okay do share this video with your friends, with your colleague, with your groups also. Please guys, please do that now, okay. And please subscribe now, and please do comment something what you have learned new from this video, from this session, okay. This is it, you can give me the feedback as well. It can be negative, it can be positive as well, okay. Just write the comment in the comment section below. I'll read it, and I will definitely try to implement it in my next video from my next session, okay. This is it. Let me guys okay read something for you, so that it is going to give me the confidence to subscribe my channel code with ER, okay. So let me just read something for you. So I'm sorry. So let me just read this for you guys, okay. Hey everyone, I know I'm not here to create low-grade, vulgar or obscene content just to get the subscribers. If that was the case, I'm sure some of you would have subscribed by now, but that's not my goal of this video. My aim is to give back something meaningful and valuable to society through education and knowledge. If you believe in the power of learning and want to be part of this journey, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button for my YouTube channel code with ER. I'm here to teach you and empower you with these skills that will last a lifetime, okay. Remember, there are countless channels out there offering cheap and dirty and harmful content to entertain you, but here it's all about growth, learning, and becoming better versions of ourselves, okay. So if you believe if you have learned something today or found this session helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. Your support means the world to me. Yes guys, you heard that right, your support means the world to me, okay. Guys, at the end of the day, it's all in your hands, okay. Take care, and I'll see you in the next session we have got some amazing stuff lined up for the next session, for the next tutorial for you. Prabhat Pandit, that's me. Okay, so I hope you will subscribe now my the channel Code with and you will press the bell icon also, and you will like this video as well. Okay, and please guys, okay, don't forget to guys, don't forget to share this video with your group, with your colleagues, with your friends as well. Okay, please guys, subscribe now my the channel Code with Okay, so thank you guys for watching my content, for watching my video. Thanks a lot guys, thanks a lot. Okay, from core of my heart, from bottom of my heart. Okay, so thank you guys, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.